Oh my god. Fuck, I don't like breaking my makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So this video is for all my boss babes out there that love wearing a red lipstick. I usually am a nude lipstick wearer, but once in a while I love wearing a bold red lip. It makes me look like I have my shit together and I love looking like that. So yeah, this video is for all you red lipstick lovers. I'm gonna show you guys my top 10 or basically like 12 lipsticks. It's like 10 lipsticks and 2 lip glosses that I'm gonna show you guys that are perfect for any occasion when you want to look put together and you want to look your best boss babe out there. Subscribe to my channel and you hit the bell icon before we start this video, and if you like this video then please give it a like. I love you guys so much, and now without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, let's start with the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's from PAC Cosmetics, and trust me, the packaging is beautiful. It looks and it feels like a luxe lipstick at such an affordable price. Like, not the most affordable, but still the packaging steals the show for me. And this is how the lipstick looks like. This is what I'm wearing right now. Like, I love it. And the lipstick is very comfortable. I didn't tell you the shade. It is the shade Born Star. Yeah, so the lipstick is very comfortable. I'll just swatch it. That was a very bad swatch. Alright, so this is what the swatch looks like, and of course you can see it on my lips. It's beautiful, trust me, it's beautiful, and it's very comfortable on the lips, and it does not at all feel heavy. It's long lasting, and I love the packaging. I already said that. Alright, so next lipstick is from Sugar Cosmetics. By the way, there's going to be a lot of Sugar Cosmetics right here. Not that this is sponsor, but I happen to have a lot of them and I love their lipsticks, so that's what I'm showing you guys. Okay, so the next lipstick is from the Metal Matte collection. This is in the shade 09 Charlotte, and I'll show you the swatch. This is how it looks like. It's more this one is more deeper, and this is a very, I don't know how to describe it. It's very beautiful red, and yeah, this is how it looks like. And this, again, if you are from my Instagram, you would know I love wearing this lipstick. I like the range in itself is very comfortable, long lasting, and is super smooth finish. Like this one, it feels very rich. The texture is amazing. It is a little expensive, of course, but again, the packaging is beautiful, so if you're into that, then you might want to consider this. Alright, so the next lipstick again is from the same range from Sugar Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade 03 Emma, and this is how that looks like. Now this is a little different, of course, that's why they are here. So I hope you can make out the difference. Now I'm showing you guys on my arms, because on my lips it's gonna look all the same because it's red, and I'm just showing you guys on my arm, so that it looks like you're able to identify which lipstick you want to buy. Alright, moving on, we have something from Nykaa Cosmetics. This one is in the shade 11. I think this is the Paint Sticks collection, and this is how that looks like. And for the swatch, this is how it looks like. Again, super comfortable, super nice, and the packaging is simple, nothing extraordinary. I like the packaging, nothing more to talk about it. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It's comfortable, it's affordable. I think it ranges from 400 to 500, I think, and you can most of the times get it on discount. And by the way, I leave all the links for all the lipsticks that I'm showing you guys in the description bar, so you can check them out and you can buy from. Alright, so moving on, I have something from Rimmel, and this is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme lipstick. This one is in the shade 550 Thirsty Bay, and this is the packaging, and I'll show you guys the swatch. It is very smooth. Like, look at that, it was so easy to swatch. This lipstick is the smoothest lipstick I've ever come across, like this range. And I love the tip applicator. It you know it is very easy to apply. It very nicely lines your lips, and I know it looks like it won't, but because you have this kind of a tip right here, it very smoothly lines your lips, and then you can fill it up, and it's very smooth. All right, so next up I have some more lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics. And first of all, I have their Plush Crush Creme Crayon lipstick in the shade 04 Red Rebel. And by the way, if you guys want me to swatch all my sugar lipsticks on my lips, like the whole range, just comment down below, I'll do the video for you guys. And yeah, this is the Plush Crush Creme Crayon lipstick, and it comes in a crayon format. I love that you do not have to sharpen it. Like, you can you can do what, you can do this, whatever. So yeah, you don't have to sharpen it, so there is no product wastage. I love that. And it is very precise, as you guys can see. It's very precise, so it lines your lips perfectly, and you can get a nice lip. So this is the swatch right here. Alright, so next two lipsticks are from their Matte Attack Transfer Proof range, and this one is in the shade 04 Maroon Vibe. And as you guys can see from the name, it is more on the maroon side. It doesn't look as maroon here, but let's just swatch it. Wow, I love that. I love the shade. I love the finish. Actually, it is very matte. I love it. It looks amazing. It is, I think, the mattest of them all. It has no shine whatsoever. So if you're a matte lipstick lover but you love the comfort this lipstick provides, I mean, you will love it. And by the way, I love the tip here, and it is very easy to line with. So next up, from the same range, we have in the shade 06 Spring Crimson. And yeah, this is how that looks like. It's more on the brighter and warmer red tone, and I'll just swatch it next. I broke my lip.
I broke it. Oh my god. Fuck, I don't like breaking my makeup. But that's my mistake. I shouldn't have taken out so much. It's very soft.
Alright, so I ruined my lipstick, but the show must go on. So this is the shade, and it is a warm tone red, and I love the shade. Alright, so moving on to the most affordable lipstick that I have for you guys, and I love the formula. I love it. I love the shade. There's nothing more. And the lipstick is from Swiss Beauty. This one is in the shade 15 Golden Red. I love the formula. It is very good, trust me. And it is only for 200 rupees, and I mean, I think you should definitely go for this one. All right, so this is how it looks like. Look at the shade. Wow, let me just look at the shade. It's so beautiful. It's so good. And yeah, talking about the formula, it's matte. It is beautiful matte. Like, it's similar to, very similar to NYX Cosmetics if you have used it, or Miss Claire, but I like it better. I love it, and I think if you're gonna buy anything out of this video, then please go for this. Alright, so the two lip glosses that I'm gonna show you guys are from Sugar Cosmetics, and these ones are from this range, Time to Shine lip gloss, and this one is in the shade 06 She Rad. By the way, I have done a whole video dedicated to these lipsticks, and I'll leave the link right here so you can go watch it. So yeah, this one is in the shade 06 She Rad. I love the formula because it is not at all non-sticky. So this is the shade 06 Rad. This is how that looks like. That is a very bad swatch. Why I'm so bad at swatching. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and it is shiny, it's glossy, it is not at all non-sticky, and yeah, it's a beautiful gloss. The shade we have is 05 Electra, and I'm just gonna swatch it and show you guys how this looks besides that. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see the difference and I hope you can make it out. This one is a little warm tone and this is more on the cool tone and a little on the pinkier side, and this is more like red. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if there are any more requests, any more lipstick lip swatches that you guys want to see, please comment down below and let me know. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.